problem here, problem 2 to 52. So a cylindrical tank contains water at a height of 55 millimeters as shown. Inside is a small open cylindrical tank containing cleaning fluid having a specific gravity of 0.8 at a height h. The pressure PB is 13.4 kilopascal gauge and the pressure PC is 13.42 kPa gauge. Assume the cleaning fluid is prevented from moving to the top of the tank. Use unit weight of water is equal to 9.79 kN per cubic meter. O yan, determine daw natin yung pressure, PA and kPa. So, letter B is the value of H in millimeters and value of Y in millimeters. So, yan. Sulat muna natin yung given. Yan, given. Meron tayong height ng water is equal to 55 millimeters. So, meron tayong specific gravity, 0.8. And then, meron tayong pressure at B is 13.4 kPa. And then PC, 13.42. And assume the cleaning fluid is prevented from moving the tank. So, ang unit weight natin dito is hindi 9.81, 9.79. Unit weight ng water is 9.79 kilonewton cubic meter. So, yun. Given natin. So, ang pinapahanap is determine the pressure, PA, and kPa. So, dito, since water lang naman ang involved sa part na to, is here, water lang naman ang involved. So, since meron tayong pressure sa PC, is 13.42. So, diba meron tayong formula dyan na H is equal to pressure over gamma. So, yan. Gagawin lang natin yan is, so, meron na tayong height of 55 mm. So, gamitin natin yung height ng water. So, height ng water is equals to pressure ng PC minus PA and over gamma. So, yan, meron tayong formula. So, lagyan na natin. So, meron tayong, so, convert na natin to sa meters. So, sa meters, it is 0.055 is equals to, PC natin is 13.42 minus PA divided by gamma, which is 9.79. So, shift solve lang. Meron tayong PA is equals to 12.88 kPa. So, yan. So, it is the same on the answer. So, this is the answer in letter A. So, letter B naman is the value of H in millimeters. So, letter B, value daw ng H sa millimeters. So, since involved na yung cleaning fluid, which is the kerosene ba to? Kerosene. So, magsa-start tayo mag-count niyan from here to here. Dito na tayo magsa-start. From this point sa PBN to this part. So, di ba, meron na tayong PA, which is 12.88. So, meron tayong given na PB, which is 13.4. So, halos the same lang ng itong formula ang gagawin natin. To find the H of H. Hanapin natin yan. And then, proceed na tayo. So, H is equal to P over gamma. So, yan. So, meron tayong pressure sa B. And meron tayong pressure sa PA. So, it is considered as pressure ng PA na because it is involved in the air. Involved yung surface water sa air. So sunod is H. Anong H involved dito? So, H ng kerosene. So, meron siyang specific gravity. So, plus the height of the water. So, hindi natin lalagay dyan yung 55, which is unnecessary naman because hindi na siya, making siyang general. So, lalagay lang natin is yung part nito. So, pag ginawa natin yung equation, may yan 0, may yan 55 minus h. So, yan naman yan. So, may yan. So, convert na natin sa meters, 0.055 minus h. So, plug in na natin. PB is 13.4 minus 12.88 divided by the 9.79 equals to h times 0.8 plus 0.055 minus h, which is h niya is equals to 0.0102 meters. So, ang hinahanap natin is millimeters. So, convert natin, times natin sa 1,000. May siyang 10.2 millimeters. This is the answer in part B. 10.2. So, next is letter C naman. The value of y in millimeters. So, sa part naman dito, di ba dito is pag confined tank, equal ang pressure, sabi ni Pascal. Equal ang pressure sa water in every direction. So, ang pressure dito, which is pressure rin sa PC. Ang pressure sa PC is 13.42. So, dito, 13.42. So, same formula ulit. H is equal to P over gamma. So, ang H dyan, pinapahanap dyan na height is yung height ng mercury. Ito, yung height kung gaano siya kataas, ang kanyang level, pressure head. So, input lang natin yung PC, which is 13.42 over 9.79 and equals to 13.16, which is the specific gravity of mercury, times y. So, itong part is 0 na lang naman to. And then, i-absorb nyo lang, hanap nyo na yung y, which is 0.1007. Or, since hinihingi is millimeters, so, y is equal to 100.7. Or, yeah, same lang naman siya. It's approximately. Approximate mo siya, 0.1 millimeters na siya. So, yun. Yung final answer.